In this video, I'm going to show you what it's like flying the Avata 2 with the motion controller in the easy acro mode.
Walking on fire in the waves of desire, but it's only giving me the blues.
It's a bit cloudy, so I'm not really sure if I need ND filter, but we'll see. ND8. I've got these ND filters from Amazon. They also got a polarizer. They're pretty good though. I managed to crack one already by trying to fly through my car. I should have won probably for the ND16. Yeah, it's the ND16 that's cracked on the edges, but you can barely see it, so this is gonna be fun, man. No motorbikes today, unfortunately. That's what I was hoping for. But this is my practice ground as well, so why not, man? The sun is shining. Fucking with my exposure, but it is what it is. Probably overexposed as fuck on the A7 IV now. Okay, so the settings are, we're in manual mode, ISO 100, the shutter speed 1/120, the white balance we've got at 5600 Kelvin, aspect ratio 4:3 obviously, so we can use it for short form content as well. Video quality, we've got 4K 60, the camera is at ultra wide, ISO limit 200, rock steady on, and the picture profile we're running is D-Log M. Still getting used to the motion controller. I only used it once, but this thing is pretty sick, not gonna lie. Flipping hell, what is this wind, bro? Okay, let's take off. The wind's not really helping, is it? But yeah, man, it's pretty straightforward. Wherever you turn it, that's where the drone will go. And you can get pretty accurate as well in like tiny gaps. Obviously I wouldn't recommend it in the windy conditions, but let's turn around. Okay, so if you switch it on the controller, I don't know if you can see it, hopefully I'm in focus. Actually, I need to activate the easy acro mode. I can hear bikes. So far so good. I don't know where the bikes went, but I'm really hoping they'll come back, because that would be sick, man. I'm losing signal a little bit. There is a chance that I will lose it completely, but let's just, yeah, as you can see, we're losing the signal a little bit. I need to go up higher. I'm not risking hitting the tree or something. And the drone going in the water especially. Yeah, signal's not great. But yeah, you can do all sorts of clips. You can do all sorts of flips. Turn it left and it carries on. Or you can do a flip, back flip, and carry on. Front flip perhaps as well. Oh yeah, this thing's sick, man. Okay, let's carry on. A little flyby. But yeah, you can see the way the drone is angled, man. You can see it's windy as fuck. I don't want to really fly over the water. If there was a bike, I would risk it, but now it's just for practice. I'm not risking wrecking the drone with water damage. Sick. Bro, I'm losing signal again. Let's go up, 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 up. Let's flip it to drift. Watch out for the tree. Let's do a little flip right in front of me. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yeah, that's the thing, when you're flying backwards you can't really see where you go, so that's how I crashed it already on the tennis court. But it is what it is, you know. You will always smash FPV drones no matter what you do, how good you are. It will happen. But yeah, I really wonder where those bikes went. Oh yeah. Sick feature, man, sick feature. It's crazy to think also that back in the day, or shall I say not long ago, you couldn't do that as a basically amateur person and never flew a drone before. And I can guarantee you now that if I gave this motion controller to my grandma, she probably would be able to fly the drone as well. But yeah, the Avata 2 is a beast, man. It's such a versatile drone as well. It's unbelievable. Also, I want to mention before with the Cinewhoops, like they were not as good for, say, like mountain drifting, stuff like that. With the Avata 2, like considering that it doesn't weigh much as well, like it can handle pretty good wind conditions. Like I tested it in like 40-50 mile per hour winds and it was still going. Let's go! The battery on this drone is astonishing. Drift. Oh, I'm pretty cold right now. Not gonna lie. Oh shit. We ran out of storage. So yeah, that's the motion controller 3 for you. Don't know if you can even see it.